Gentlemen, if you are getting up several times a night, rushing to the bathroom, or never quite feeling empty, you already know how exhausting prostate troubles can be. For years, it seemed like the only real options were prescription drugs with side effects or even surgery. But there is another path many men overlook. One of the simplest, most natural ways to support your prostate may already be in your kitchen cupboard. In fact, eating just one specific type of nut every day can play a real role in easing enlargement and calming those annoying symptoms. Nature gives us far more than herbs and pills. It also gives us everyday foods with powerful effects. I know it might sound too simple, but these food-based strategies are supported by solid scientific research and can provide genuine relief, helping you stay in control of your bladder and your life. In this video, we will look at 5 particular nuts with remarkable benefits for prostate health, each one offering its own unique support. And I will tell you right away, one of these 5 is so effective and so specifically targeted to the prostate that I consider it the #1 nut every man should eat daily. I will reveal which one it is and exactly why it works so well a little later on. Before we get to the list, let us take a quick moment to understand the prostate itself. Knowing what this gland does makes it much easier to see how the right foods can truly help. Think of this as a short, friendly explanation before we jump into the practical steps. The prostate is a small, muscular gland found only in men. It sits just below the bladder and wraps around the urethra, the tube that carries urine out of the body. It is roughly the size and shape of a walnut. Its main job is to produce a fluid that mixes with sperm to form semen, protecting the sperm and helping with reproduction. For many men, this walnut-sized gland slowly grows larger with age. This is called benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH. The word benign is important. It means the growth is not cancer, but even though it is not cancerous, it can still cause major problems. As the prostate enlarges, it squeezes the urethra the way a hand might gently pinch a garden hose. That narrowing leads to the classic symptoms: a constant urge to urinate even right after going a weak stream, a feeling that the bladder never quite empties, dribbling at the end of urination, and for many men, one of the most frustrating issues of all, nocturia, getting up 2, 3 or more times each night to pee, robbing you of restful sleep and daytime energy. If this pressure and irritation continue without proper care, it can sometimes progress to prostatitis, an inflamed or infected prostate. The ongoing discomfort and interrupted sleep can really drag down your quality of life. And while BPH is separate from prostate cancer, prostate health as a whole is a critical part of a man's well-being. According to the American Cancer Society, about 1 in 8 men will be diagnosed with prostate cancer at some point in their lives, which makes taking proactive steps even more important. The encouraging news is that you have more influence than you might think. Daily lifestyle choices can powerfully support your prostate. Regular movement, a healthy weight, and smarter nutrition all help ease symptoms and protect your long-term vitality. This is exactly where nature's pantry, and especially the nuts we are about to discuss, come in as a tasty and effective strategy. These are not old myths. They are food-based tools backed by growing research showing benefits for reducing inflammation, improving blood flow, and supporting urinary function. Alongside our 5 key nuts, I will also share a few simple extra tips to help you prevent complications. Now, let us start our countdown with a truly delicious nut that offers real support for your prostate. Number 5, pistachios. Pistachios are that slightly sweet, rich nut many of us enjoy cracking open by the handful. They are more than just a tasty snack, though their unique nutrient profile makes them especially valuable for prostate health. Pistachios are loaded with antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which act like tiny shields, protecting your cells from oxidative stress and calming low-grade inflammation, both key drivers of prostate enlargement. They are also one of the best nut sources of the amino acid arginine and contain beneficial plant sterols. Arginine is critical because your body uses it to make nitric oxide, the signal that tells blood vessels to relax and open up. This improves circulation throughout the pelvic area, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to the prostate and easing the pressure that leads to urinary symptoms. At the same time, plant sterols help balance hormones related to prostate growth and support healthier cholesterol levels. In a clinical study, men with erectile dysfunction ate a small daily portion of pistachios for just 3 weeks. They showed clear improvements in blood flow and in erectile function scores. This matters because the same blood vessel health that supports sexual function also supports better urinary function. Pistachios also create wider health benefits that feed back into prostate wellness. Their combination of fiber and healthy fats helps with appetite control and weight management, and maintaining a healthy weight reduces pressure on the bladder and can ease BPH symptoms. Their potassium content supports healthy blood pressure and overall cardiovascular health. Put together, better circulation, lower inflammation hormone support, and easier weight control makes pistachios a powerful ally for the prostate and for male health in general. They work on several underlying causes of enlargement and discomfort while gently supporting natural erectile function and heart health at the same time. Incorporating a modest serving of pistachios into your routine is a simple, enjoyable step that pays off on multiple levels. Number 4, almonds. Next on our list is the incredibly versatile almond nut that has been treasured across many cultures for its health benefits, and it deserves that reputation. Almonds can be a powerful part of a diet aimed at supporting urinary and prostate health. When eaten regularly, almonds act as strong allies for your entire urinary system. They can help support prostate function, promote healthy kidneys, and contribute to overall urinary tract balance. Much of this comes from their impressive nutrient profile. A single 1-ounce serving roughly a small handful provides about 48% of your daily vitamin E needs. On top of that, almonds supply fiber heart, healthy monounsaturated fats, and important minerals such as magnesium. This combination works together to protect your prostate. Vitamin E and other antioxidants, especially concentrated in the almond's brown skin, help neutralize free radicals, the unstable molecules that create oxidative stress and damage prostate cells. That kind of cellular stress is a major driver of inflammation and enlargement. By reducing it, almonds help create a calmer environment around the prostate, making irritation and swelling less likely. At the same time, the healthy fats and magnesium support hormone balance, including testosterone, and contribute to better blood flow throughout the body. One of the most interesting benefits of almonds involves your gut, which might seem far removed from your prostate but is closely connected. Almonds act as a prebiotic food. Their fiber and polyphenols feed the beneficial bacteria in your digestive tract. A healthier gut microbiome helps your body manage inflammation more effectively and process waste more efficiently. That means less overall toxic burden on your system, which can ease pressure on both the prostate and urinary tract and may lead to fewer symptoms. Almonds are also incredibly easy to include in your routine. You can eat them raw as a snack scatter, sliced almonds over oatmeal or yogurt, use almond flour in baking, or enjoy a spoonful of almond butter. With so many simple options, adding a small daily serving is not difficult. Find a way to include a few more almonds in your day, and your prostate, along with the rest of your urinary system, is likely to benefit. Number 3, pecans. Now we come to number 3, a true standout for men's health: pecans. Many of my patients enjoy their rich, buttery taste, but few realize how powerful they are for the prostate and overall vitality. What makes pecans unique is their remarkable fat profile. Around 90% of their fats are healthy, unsaturated fats. They are also one of the best food sources of a special form of vitamin E called gamma-tocopherol, a very strong antioxidant. Along with that, pecans provide concentrated plant sterols such as beta-sitosterol and key minerals like zinc and magnesium. This nutrient combination gives pecans a very direct role in prostate support. Gamma-tocopherol is particularly effective at neutralizing the types of free radicals that damage prostate cells and encourage unwanted growth. The plant sterols help promote healthy urinary function and support a more normal prostate size. Their benefits, however, go well beyond the prostate. The blend of healthy fats, fiber, and plant sterols has a powerful effect on heart health. Research shows that adding pecans to a balanced diet can significantly boost its cholesterol-lowering effects. When your cholesterol numbers improve, your circulation improves as well, delivering better blood flow throughout the body, including the pelvic region. With stronger circulation, the prostate receives more oxygen and nutrients, helping it work more efficiently and lowering inflammation. This improved vascular health also supports stable blood pressure and healthy erectile function. Meanwhile, the zinc and magnesium in pecans help maintain healthy testosterone levels, which are essential for energy, muscle maintenance, and overall male vitality. It is a great example of how one simple food can support multiple systems at once. To enjoy pecans, you can snack on a small handful sprinkle chopped pecans over oatmeal or yogurt, toss them into salads, or use them in the healthier baked dishes. Their deep flavor means you do not need many to feel satisfied. Adding a modest daily serving of pecans is a delicious way to support your prostate, your heart, and your hormones, all at the same time. Number 2, Brazil nuts. Number 2 on our list is in a category of its own for men's health: Brazil nuts. You may only notice them here and there in a can of mixed nuts, but for your prostate, they deserve center stage. Brazil nuts deliver a powerful 1-2 punch for the heart and the prostate, largely thanks to one extraordinary mineral: selenium. These nuts are the richest natural source of selenium on the planet. Just a single Brazil nut can provide more than 100% of your daily requirement. That matters because selenium is a key building block for some of your body's strongest antioxidant enzymes. With enough selenium, your body can produce compounds that hunt down and neutralize free radicals, calm inflammation inside the prostate, and help protect those cells from damage that can lead to enlargement and other issues. Many studies have found that men with healthy selenium levels tend to have a noticeably lower risk of prostate problems. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant actions appear to be central in slowing the processes that drive benign prostatic hyperplasia. Selenium also supports a strong immune system and a well-functioning thyroid, both of which affect your energy metabolism and overall resilience. On top of that, Brazil nuts provide healthy fats and minerals like magnesium and zinc, which further support cardiovascular health and hormone balance. Because they are so concentrated, you do not need many. 1 to 2 Brazil nuts per day is enough for most men to reach and maintain ideal selenium levels. You can eat them raw, add them to a homemade trail mix, or crush them over vegetables, salads, or grain dishes. Their smooth, buttery flavor works well with both sweet and savory meals. Building the habit of eating just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts each day is a tiny change with a potentially huge payoff. It is one of the simplest targeted nutrition strategies you can use to support the long-term health of your prostate cells. Number 1, walnuts. Finally, we arrive at number 1. The single nut I believe every man should include in his daily routine: walnuts. I often call this the nut that connects the whole picture because it supports men who want to stay active, sleep more soundly, and regain energy without depending solely on medication. Walnuts are among the oldest cultivated tree foods grown for thousands of years across Asia, the Middle East, and Europe. Traditional cultures use them as both nourishment and medicine, and modern research now explains why they earned that status. Nutritionally, walnuts are exceptional. Of all commonly eaten nuts, they have the highest antioxidant capacity thanks to a powerful mix of vitamin E, melatonin, and polyphenols called L-argitannins, most of which are concentrated in the thin brown skin. Even more importantly for men's health, walnuts are the richest nut source of plant-based omega-3 fats, specifically alpha-linolenic acid ALA. A small daily serving can supply all the ALA your body needs. Together, these omega-3s and antioxidants create strong anti-inflammatory and cell-protecting effects throughout the body, including the prostate. For your prostate, walnuts work on several levels at once. Their anti-inflammatory action helps calm the chronic inflammation that drives benign prostatic hyperplasia. The L-gitannins in walnuts are transformed by friendly gut bacteria into compounds called urolithins, which research shows have targeted anti-inflammatory effects that can protect prostate cells and help ease urinary issues such as urgency and frequent trips to the bathroom. By lowering oxidative stress and inflammation, walnuts may slow the processes that lead to prostate enlargement and support healthier gland function overall. The same nutrients that support the prostate also benefit your heart and brain. Walnuts are known to help improve cholesterol levels, support flexible, healthy blood vessels, and protect cognitive function as you age. The small amount of natural melatonin they contain may also contribute to better sleep quality, a welcome bonus, when your goal is to reduce nighttime bathroom visits. A practical goal is about 1 ounce of walnuts per day, roughly a small handful or around 7 walnut halves. You can eat them raw, lightly toast them to deepen the flavor, add them to oatmeal or yogurt, scatter them over salads, or blend them into a smoothie. What matters most is consistency. Giving your body this steady daily supply allows the protective effects to build over time. Many of my patients have told me that combining better overall eating habits with a daily handful of walnuts helped them go from 3 or 4 nighttime bathroom trips down to just 1. That kind of change does more than relieve discomfort. It restores deeper sleep and better energy the next day. So, while making walnuts a daily habit can be a genuine game changer for your prostate lasting health, always comes from a broader holistic approach. Think of this one powerful nut as a cornerstone working alongside movement stress management and a balanced diet to support long-term male health. If you found this video helpful or learned something new about how everyday foods can support your prostate, please give it a thumbs up and share it with another man in your life who might need this information. I would also love to hear from you in the comments. Which of these nuts do you already eat? And which one are you going to start adding to your routine? And if you would like more clear science-based guidance on men's health, sleep, energy, and aging, well, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you will not miss any of our upcoming videos, where we continue to explore simple, practical steps you can take to stay stronger, more comfortable, and more in control as you age. Thank you for watching, and take good care of yourself.